definitely not the least, our contingent number 6.
Simula sa paggitaw ng kalikasan hanggang sa bahid ng mga kulay at liwanag, ang ating bayan ay lumikha ng pangarap at alaala. Sa pamamagitan ng bahaghari, kahanga-hanga ang pagkatuklas sa pinamalayan ng mga malalakbay mula sa karating mga pulo, pagtatanim ng palay, pangingisda at iba pang pinagkukunan ng kabuhayan, ang pangunahing hanap buhay ng mga mamamayan. Pinamalayan, ang tahanan ng kahangahangang tanawin at kapanapanabik na karanasan. Bilang isang sentro ng turismo, bukas ang aming pintuan sa lahat na naghahanap ng hindi malilimutang paglalakbay. Kilala rin ang ating bayan sa masasarap na pasalubong tulad ng banana chips at iba pang delicacies na nagbibigay saya sa mga turista. Umuukit din sa ating kultura ang makulay na pagdiriwang ng Centurion at Baghari Festival. Kaya samahan nyo kami sa isang pagtatanghal bilang pagpupugay sa bayan ng Baghari, ang bayan ng Pinamalayan. Dito, ang bawat araw ay isang pagdiriwang, bawat sandali ay isang matagumpay na karanasan. Kaya bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang ika-6 na kalahok, ang tribo ng Haring Mandaragit!
There you have it, Municipality of Pinamalayan. Your Baghari Festival Street Dancing Competition 2024. First up, our minor awards. The best in costume and props. Our best in costume and props is for contingent number 6. Contingent number 6 is Pambisan National High School. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much and congratulations, Pambisan National High School, for bagging the Best in Costume and Props Award. And our best in street dance performance is contingent number 3, Kinabigan National High School. Sir Richie Limueco, the principal, to award the prize. And I request Kinabigan National High School participants. Paigin po kami ng 5 dancer. Magingay, Kinabigan National High School! Congratulations! In ranking order, magsisimula po tayo sa rank 6, papuntang rank 1. Our rank 6. Our rank 6 is for contingent number 4, Emma Emits College, Philippines. May request po to receive the award dito po sa unahan and 5 dancers from your contingent. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, next is our rank 5. Our rank 5 is for contingent number 3, Kinabigan National High School. Thank you very much po. Next up is our rank 4. Rank 4, ladies and gentlemen, Pinamalayan. Our rank 4 is contingent number to receive 30,000 pesos and the trophy. Our rank 4 is contingent number 1, Nabuslot National High School. Headed by the principal, Sir Nonato Magtibay. Maraming salamat po and congratulations. Next in line is our rank 3 to receive 50,000 pesos, our second placer and a trophy. Our rank 3 is coming from contingent number 2, Anuling High School. Ang ating pong first placer ay magkakamit ng 75,000 pesos plus trophy. At ang ating pong winner magkakamit ng 100,000 pesos plus trophy. And you will represent Pinamalayan to Mahalta Na Festival Competition in Province of Oriental Mindoro. Ang mag-award po ng ating first placer ay ang ating minamahal na Vice Mayor. At ang ating pong Grand Champion ay ang ating Mayor. Ang tatawagin po ni Mayor ay kung sino ang Grand Champion. Meaning to say, ang maiiwan po ang ating first placer. Ang first placer po ay magpe-perform to welcome sa ating Mimaropa Raa Athletic Association, Mimaropa Raa. Ang first placer po magpe-perform po dito sa Pinamalayan to welcome the contingent coming from Marinduque. At ang ating pong Grand Champion ay magpe-perform sa Calapan. Sa Nauhan. Okay po. Sa May 25 po ito. Alright, Pinamalayan, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself because this is the final result. May the best school win. Mayor, please do the honor po.
And the winner, ano sabi nyo? Goes to, sandali, ang winner natin ay may additional na 500,000 worth ng project sa ating school, And the winner goes to, saan? Pambisan!
Alright, and our first placer is Our first placer is Kakawan High School. Calling the representative of Kakawan High School. Kakawan High School to receive your award. Pahingi po kami ng 5 dancer from Kakawan High School. Pahingi po kami ng 5 dancer from Kakawan High School.
Congratulations din po sa Kakawan National High School. Napakagaling.
Akyat po yung dancer. Akyat, go. Upo lang kayo dyan. Upo. Yan. The string dancing competition is Pambisan National High School! Maraming salamat, Bayan ng Pinamalayan, especially to our dear judges. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. This has been your host, Sir Francis J. Conde Salcedo, simply known as Judge Blazing. Congratulations and happy fiesta! Pinamalayan!